I work at Lincoln Electric. A day in the life, I get up around 7 o'clock, getting ready. Vans come get us about 7:30, go to work. Every day is something different because they have a lot of different areas for us to go to. I heard about the ECEC program at school. They came assembly, brought all the juniors down to 11th grade, and they told us about the opportunities and the benefits that we would get from the program. What made me want to sign up was the 12 credits to graduation and the paid internship, obviously. You know, every kid wants to get a job and get paid for working.
Learned about ECEC through you guys. A couple workers came to the school, picked out some kids, and I got lucky enough to be in a little inner circle. I got my interview, and they interviewed me, and I did well enough to get into the program. And then ever since, I just been into this internship, and I've been through a lot, seen a lot, had a lot of opportunities.
Everybody is very happy. They're proud of me. They said, even if I don't go to college right away, I'm in a great position to better myself because I am doing something. I'm going straight into work. I'm not just, slacking off or anything. So everybody's very proud of me.
This program definitely taught me to make sure I put my game face on and know when to ask the right questions, when to act around certain people and peers and stuff like that. I'm just making sure that other people, other professional people see that, I can hang with them, as a young person myself. Some people might have different perspectives on how I might act being around with them. So, what I'm saying? I'm there to to show them that, I'm not playing no games and I'm a real worker. I'm here to work like the rest of y'all. It's an internship, so you in there, you want to make sure that you perform to the best of your ability. So, but mistakes are made sometimes, and when I do have to go ask, I make sure to tell them what's really going on in the best way possible so that they can help me, because if I don't say nothing, it'll be a problem. So I do make sure I talk to them and let them know anything that's going on.
Next June, I plan to go full-time working at Lincoln Electric, but ECEC, they do have, it's early college, early career. So if you don't want to work in the field that you're in during the summer, they get you prepared for college. And some of the jobs, they do offer a tuition reimbursement. So if you stay working there, they will pay for you to go to college. So you can still do work and go to college. So it's best of both worlds.
Try very, very hard to get in if you have a chance, because I'm very happy and blessed to be in the position that I am in this program. So anybody that don't know what to do or what to do after high school, ECEC, very well-established program that could help anybody, give them a brand new opportunity at a career, that they can carry on for the rest of their lives, So Lincoln is I'm very blessed, very happy being here.
Well, first, I would like to thank ECEC for allowing me to be in this program and helping me and not giving up on me and just helping me better myself. I really thank you guys for that. And manufacturing, I hope to be something big in it, I want to say, like have my own stuff and just be a boss lady, like just in the manufacturing world and just thrive, apply for the job, do the interview, do the applications, wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning during your 11th grade year summer. It's all going to be worth it. You're gonna be happy in the end. You're gonna be happy with the decision that you made and the people that you found in the program. You're gonna be happy and surrounded by love, because this is one big family that just wants to see you thrive and be great, a great person.